According to a new study by the USGS, a major earthquake here in California would knock out communication services for days or even weeks. This includes a majority of cell phones in the areas closest to the epicenter. The study says that cell towers are vulnerable to sustained power outages. The same goes for cellular equipment on power poles and buildings at risk of extreme shaking, liquefaction, and fire. The disruption of cell service would cut off access to 911 operators and lead to delays in reporting fires and calls for medical help.